Okay, my friends, today we're going gourmet. We're going gourmet today. We're doing some salmon bites skewers. Yeah, salmon kabobs, just like you heard us. Here's what you need. We need obviously skinless, boneless salmon fillets, just like these ones. We need onions, like you can use red onions or white onions, green peppers, red peppers, any seasoning of your preference. I'm using this complete seasoning, Badia. That's to your preference. And I like using a teriyaki for salmon. And you need some of these wood skewers, and obviously a nice knife. So what we want to do, we're gonna cut this salmon fillet into squares. So just like this, I'm gonna cut this and make beautiful squares, as square as I can. So here I'm gonna cut this in, gonna be 6 here, and this is what I'm looking for. These kind of squares, not too small, and you gotta treat this with really patience and careful because salmon flakes so easily. So we're gonna season once we cut all the squares like that. We're gonna season with, like I said, with the seasoning of your preference. I like this one all over it. Be generous here with seasoning, and I like a little bit of this teriyaki marinating liquid, just like that, all over it, but not a lot, but just a little bit, few drops all over it. And I want to make sure that my salmon bites take all these seasoning, so I gotta be careful because salmon breaks apart really easy and it flakes away. So make sure that it takes all the flavors, but keeping those salmon bites squared. And with the skewer, I'm gonna start putting my salmon bites here in my wood stick here and looking for that fiber of the salmon so it doesn't flake off on the grill. There you go. And in between each salmon bite, I like to put a piece of veggie. It could be green pepper, red pepper, or the onion. So I'm gonna repeat this one by one, just like that, and I'm gonna put something in between each of the salmon bites. So we're looking for anything between 4 to maybe 5 salmon bites on each skewer. That's to your preference. If you want to fill it all the way up to the tip, that's up to you. I like leaving the tip with some space there because sometimes I like to put some bread with butter or garlic bread on top of it. But it should look something like this. And I'm gonna do the same with all the rest of the salmon bites here, and this is how it should look. You see how beautiful they look. They're ready for the grill, or in this case I'm gonna do them in the griddle. So these are the salmon bites skewers or salmon kabobs. So I'm gonna go outside with my new toy here, my flat top griddle here, and I'm gonna check for temperature. I preheated this griddle, and I'm looking for something between 300 to 350 degrees. So using a surface thermometer like that, you see I have 303 there. That's what I'm looking for. Anything between 300 and 350, and that should be good for these salmon bites. So right in the middle, it's my hottest spot, and you can see it's 344. So I have between 3 to 344 all over my griddle here, my flap top. So it's good to go. Now these are the salmon skewers that we just formed inside. There you go. Look at that. Look how beautiful this thing looks. And this is a gourmet thing that you can surprise your friends and family. Not just the regular skewers, but these are salmon bite skewer. Salmon bite skewers. And I'm gonna obviously put some chicken kebabs here at the same time. But the star of the video is the actual salmon bites. So we're ready to put the salmon bites on the flap top here. I'm gonna use a little bit of oil on the flat top, and I'm gonna spread that oil to make sure that it covers the area where I wanna put my salmon skewers to get them rolling. There you go, a little bit of oil, and now I'm gonna start putting my salmon skewers right on the flat top, just like that. See, this is also good on the grill, but I'm playing with my new toy here, my flat top griddle, and I want to show you that they are gonna be awesome for sure. There you have it. I put the camera closer to the griddle so you can actually see all the details. And I'm gonna give it like 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I'm gonna put these are the chicken ones. These are normals, but like I said, the star of the video are the salmon bites. So, but same thing with the chicken. We just put a little bit of oil and put them right on the grill, just like that. And if you want to cook them faster, you want to put some water. You use a dome, but if you use a little bit of water, just to create some steam, that's what's gonna help you cook them faster. So you use the dome just like that over any meat that you have on the griddle, and it'll make it faster for cooking because the steam is gonna help your cooking time. So I'm gonna give them like 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I'm gonna flip them to make sure they are not sticking to the flap top, and we're just gonna flip them. Look at that beautiful color on the side that was touching the flap top there, and that's what I'm gonna look for on all 4 sides. Because these are squares, I'm gonna try to get that on all 4 sides. A little bit of water again, and I'm gonna cover with the dome here, and that's gonna fasten my cooking time. And it is awesome. The chicken kebabs on the other side, the same thing. I'm just gonna rotate them back and forth, and here you have them. I have them all 4 sides have been touching the griddle at some point for about 3 to 4 minutes, and this is how they should look. They should have that beautiful color on all 4 sides. That you see, I'm doing this zoom here, how beautiful that color is, and these are ready. I can tell you these are ready. So the last thing you wanna check is that they're really good. Okay, so now we're gonna do the taste. The taste. We're gonna check if this is really, really good. Look at how beautiful this salmon skewer looks. Beautiful, beautiful presentation there. And we're gonna check that this is actually good, like I think it should be. So I'm gonna grab this one here on top, and I'm gonna take a bite of these salmon bites. Oh my goodness. This is, my friend, this is really, really, really good. I can tell you it passed the test. And there you have them. Salmon bites, skewers, or salmon kebabs. There you have it for your friends and family. I hope you enjoy. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends and family. Until next time.